The Jeep brand announced it will add Gecko exterior paint color, currently available on the Jeep Wrangler, to the Jeep Gladiator. Ordering is open and available until early October. This eye-catching Gecko Green joins the Jeep brand palette of vivid special run colors, which includes Chief Blue and Nacho for the 2021 model year. Also available to select Jeep Wrangler and Gladiator models is the Jeep Performance Parts Gorilla Glass Windshield. The factory-installed JPP windshield with Corning Gorilla Glass, priced at a US MSRP of $95, uses the same chemical strengthening technology as cell phone screens to make the windshield up to 3 times more resistant to chips, cracks, and fractures. The extra strength and durability are ideal for hardcore Jeep Gladiator and Wrangler owners.